Hey folks, how you doing today? It's warming up. It's 40 degrees, so I'm gonna get some work done, more work done in this tiny greenhouse project. Actually, I'm working on this end. I've got this little end roof here above the wood burner, and I need to put the roof on this, and I don't want to use a tarp because I am going to have a wood fire going, and tarps melt. Hopefully that tarp up there doesn't get warm, but yeah, I think at that point it'll be cooled off, the smoke going up the chimney. So what I'm going to do here, I've got a piece of metal I'm going to put on this center portion. Then I can put a hole in it for the chimney flue. And that piece of metal just happened to have a scrap piece laying around, and it's just long enough. But I am going to have to move these rafters in a little closer. Then what I'm going to do on each side of that metal is I'm going to take I've got a bunch of the scrap siding left over, so I'm going to put that on, have some wood shingle going on then that way. And like I said, it's temporary until I can pay for the metal, save for the metal. Probably buy that one piece at a time, just like the old Johnny Cash song. Anyway, I'm gonna get moving here. Enough talk, time to get some work done. Well, we're getting a blizzard out here, folks. I want to get this roof on pretty bad. I just put some drip edge on. Let me show you. I'm thinking for this, I got some of the sidings left over, so it's the difference between that and cedar shakes. Yeah, cedars are probably better. These are cedar siding pieces, but so I'm gonna run it. I'm just gonna build it right up to the top there. And I'll have a piece of flashing over this, and then I'll finish siding that area. And it'll hold for a little while until I can, like I said, get the cash for the metal I want. And I think it'll be a good solution for now. All right, see you in a bit, folks. Hey, folks. Just got that one side of that finished. The siding up there for the roof. I'm gonna trim this side and apply it. The siding, and then yeah, still snowing out here in this crazy weather. I just heard a bunch of thunder go off over in that direction, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna keep moving. Yeah, hey folks. Got this roof on here. Got the snow beard going. Yeah, it's kind of nasty working out here today. But got this on. Now I'm gonna put flashing up along there. Put those last couple pieces of siding on. Got a little piece of siding to go through here, but I'll tell you what, I'm glad I got this thing on the roof on this, and I got that tarp on the other day too. Alright, I'm gonna keep working. I'm not gonna let this beat me, the snow. Yeah, it's pretty much a whiteout out there though. Okay, see you in a bit, folks. Hey folks, well, I got this little roof on, finished, and the remaining of the siding up in that area. A little piece down there at the edge of that. Just in time, snow's moving back into the tundra here in Farmitecture land. And spring was just on the. It's almost April. It's the 29th of March now, so spring was the 21st. Nice spring weather. I think I'm gonna see if I can work on that last part to enclose is getting that door on that and there you can see through those windows or those doors. See what I can do. I'm gonna wait till to buy the hardware, but I got another trick up my sleeve to make that door operable. Alright folks, I'll see you later on. Have a good one.